Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Miss Vocabulary, and today I've come up with three forms of verbs that are used in your daily life, verbs which are very common. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it and see all the three forms of those verbs. Alright. So first of all, we'll understand what are the three forms of verb. The first one is infinite, a second one is past simple, and third one is past participle. Alright, so let's dive into it and see the words. The first word that we have here is be. Now be is the infinite form. Its past simple form is was or were, and its past participle form is been. Alright, be, was, were, and been. Next is become. Now infinite form is become, next is became, and then it's become. All right, become, became, become. Next word is begin. The infinite form is begin, the past simple form is began, and the past participle form is begun. All right, begin, began, begun. So the next word on the list is bring. Now the infinite form is bring, the past simple form is brought, and the past participle form of it is brought itself. So bring, brought, brought. In both past and past participle tense we call it brought. Alright. Next up is choose. Now its infinite form is choose, its past simple form is chose, and its past participle form is chosen. So choose, chose, and chosen. Next one is come. Now infinite form is come, past simple form is came, and past participle form is come itself. So come, came, come. Alright, next is do. Now do is the infinite form, did is the past simple form, and done is the past participle form. So do, did, done. Alright. Next up is drink. Now this is the infinite form, drank is the past simple form, and drunk is past participle form. So drink, drank, drunk. Next up, drive. Now drive is infinite, past simple is drove, and past participle is driven. Drive, drove, driven. Next up is eat is the infinite form, past simple form is ate, and the past participle form is eaten. So eat, ate, eaten. Next up is feel. Its past simple form is ate, and its past participle form is eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Next up we have feel. Now feel is the infinite form, past simple form is felt, and past participle form is felt itself. So in both simple and participle form it's felt itself. Feel, felt, felt. Next up is find. Now find is the infinite form, past simple form is found, and the past participle form is found itself. So in both simple and participle we will write found and found itself. So find, found, found. So in this slide, I'm not gonna keep mentioning the infinite, past simple, and past participle. Instead, I will directly say those words. So first one we have get, then we have got, and then we have got and gotten. Now you'll be thinking that why is it got and gotten both? So got is used in UK and in all other regions, but gotten is used in US. Alright. So get, got, and gotten as well. Alright, next up we have give, then gave and given. Give, gave, given. Next up we have go, went, and gone and been. We in past participle we can say both been and gone as well. So go, went, been, or gone. Next up we have, then have, had, Alright, so we call it had in both past simple and past participle. So have, had. Next up is hear, heard, and heard itself. In both past simple and past participle we call it heard. So hear, heard. Next one is keep, kept. In both past simple and past participle we call it kept. So keep, kept. Next one is know, new, known. Now these are different. In past simple it is new, and in past participle it's known. So know, new, known. Next one is leave, left, left. See, in this also the past simple and past participle is the same, left, left. So leave, left, left. And in let we have all the three forms in the same manner. The first infinite is let, past simple is let itself, and past participle it's let itself. All right, so in both three forms we have let, 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 let. Next one we have lose, lost, and lost. Next one, make, made, made. Meet, met, met. In all the three we have the same forms. Finally we have come to the last slide, and here also I'm not gonna keep mentioning the infinite, past simple, and past participle. So let's get straight into it. The first word is put, and in both simple and participle we call it put itself. So put, put, put. Read, read, read. Alright, here the spelling is same, R-E-A-D, but it's pronounced read in past simple and past participle form. So first one is read, second one is read, and third one is read itself. So don't read the past simple form as read, it's read. Alright, read, read, read. Next one is run, ran, run, and in past participle it goes straight back to infinite. So run, ran, run. Next one is say, said, said. See, saw, seen. All right, in past participle we call it seen. So see, saw, seen. Next one is sleep, slept, slept. In both past simple and past participle we have slept. So sleep, slept, slept. Next up we have speak, spoke, spoken. Then we have take, took, taken. Now you will see a similarity in these two. In speak we have spoke, spoken, and in take we have take, took, taken. Alright, so these both are quite similar. Next up is teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. And think, thought, thought. Write, wrote, written. Alright, so I hope all these verbs and form of verbs will prove quite helpful for you. So I'll come up with many more videos related to many more topics. I'll cover many more topics in grammar and in English vocabulary and pronunciation as well. So I'll see you next time. Meet you in the next video. Thanks.